for you to make $899 from this website or even $1,000 from this website, all you do is just to make a design that looks something like this. I'm going to show you an automated software that will just click a button and you have a design that looks something like this. Alright, the design these people are selling for $500 is nothing. It's just like a bunch of flowers that is combined together and they're selling it for $500. Guys, you too can do this, okay? And even if you don't have the experience, don't worry. Like I said, I'm going to show you an automated software that will help you to do everything just by clicking button, okay? No matter where you are in the world, you can still sign up to this website and start making money, guys. Your location is not going to be a barrier, okay? And once you start making money, you can actually cash out through PayPal or even bank transfer. And this is the website that we are going to be using to be creating the patterns and the designs, alright? And this website has 6 million plus vectors, icons, and stickers, right? And most of these stickers and vectors are all free. So we're going to be using them from this website to be creating our designs and be posting it here, okay? And be generating this high ticket money. Alright, so it's pretty straightforward. And like I said earlier in the video, even if you don't even have an experience, there is software and automated software that you just click and it's going to create everything for you. Alright, but if you want to put in the work by yourself, you can still do it that way. Alright, to have a unique design. But if you prefer the software, to click on the software, I will also show you how. Okay, and the name of this website is called Flat Icon. Alright, some people do call it Flat Icon, but I call it Flat Icon. Alright, and if you've seen this website before, don't just click off and try to work things out yourself. If you do that, you're not going to make any sense, bro. Alright, you're not going to make any sense. You need to watch the video and follow the step-by-step guide that I'll be presenting. I believe that at the end of the video, you're going to be at the point where you can be making like $500 to $1,000 every single week from this website. Alright, now we need to create an account. What you need to do is to go down, scroll down, and come to this place where it says become a contributor and earn money with your creations. You're gonna hit on register and active your account, okay? And you're gonna be on this page. You can also sign up with your Facebook credentials. Alright, all you need to do is to create a username here and put your email here, okay? And once you've done that, create a specific password and hit on the sign up. Alright, and when you've done that, they will send you an email. You have to click on the link on the email. Alright, and the email confirmation link is going to take you directly to this page. This is your dashboard. But don't worry, we are not going to be making our money on this website. We just want to use this website to create the designs. Alright, we just want to use it to create the design and be selling it on the other website. So what you want to do now is to go to Google and search for Flaticon pattern generator. Alright, and this page is going to pop up. You will have to click on the second link, not the first link, the second link right here, and it's going to take you to this page. Alright, but since you have your account already, you're not going to create your account again. This is the software that we're going to be using. We sign up to the website in order for us to have the access to the software. Alright, and this software, you're not going to download it on your phone or your laptop. We're just going to use it on the official site, but it's the software. Okay, all you have to do now is to click on this button right here that says try it now. Then you will be on this page. Okay, it's very straightforward. Let me show you how you can use this software to generate patterns that you can be selling on the other side. Alright, when you come to this place, these are the categories where it says pack. And when you click on any of these categories, like if you click on something like emoji right here, you will have what it's made up of on the icons. Alright, everything here is going to be emojis because we click on the emojis categories. And when you return to the pack again and click on something like friendship right here, you have all what is made up of, alright, on the icon bar. Okay, when you go to packs again, let me click on the wording. It's going to bring all of this. Okay, but now if you want to do it in manual way, if you want to start creating linear candle and suites, all you have to do is just to click on it. It will be on the workspace. Alright, and when you click on it again, you have the ability to rotate, to increase the size, or even to decrease the size. Alright, so you can also click on any of this again and click it right here, try to minimize it or even increase it. Okay, click on this and you have it here. Okay, it's a simple design, but you can try to be creative. Alright, or if you prefer, you want to change the color of this particular one right here, what you need to do is to click on this button and then choose your color of preference. Let me choose something like pink. You have the color change to pink. Okay, but if you want to clear the board, maybe what you've done, you don't like it, all you need to do is to click on this button right here that says clear, and everything will wipe up. Okay, you can choose another category again. Go to the emojis, click on this emoji right here, you have it here. Okay, you can move it around, then go to the pack, choose landscape and collection, put this right here. You can move it around like I said. You can increase the size if you like and rotate as well. Okay, go to the pack, just trying to do what you like. Okay, nobody's going to question you, it's just your preference. Alright, I'm doing this for you to know how it works. Alright, do it like this, just as you like. It's your choice. And now if you decide you don't like the white background, okay, you can come to this button right here and click on the background, and you will choose it to any of the color that you like. Okay, it's gonna be green, it's gonna be blue. All right, if you want to return to the white again, you need to push it to the center and you have the white background again. All right, you can play with it and do your preference. Okay, it's basically up to you. If you feel like you don't want to be doing it, you just want the machine to do it for you, all right, just come here and clear it. Then you will click on this search right here. All you need to do is to go down to where it says random pattern. When you click on this, you have everything done for you. All right, if you do it this way, you can see it just generated a pattern. You can also edit the pattern also. Okay, if you go to clear again, click on random pattern, you have different things. Each time you click on this button, you will have different designs, and you can also edit the design to your preference. All right, so it's all left for you to choose what you want to do with the website, the kind of design you want to make with it. Okay, click on random pattern again, you have entire new design. Okay, now maybe you have a design that you like. What you have to do is to click on this button right here that says download. Okay, here we have the option to change it from PNG to any format that you like, but I like the PNG. All right, and I like the setting the way it is. All you have to do is to click on this download button, and you will have it download on your laptop or your phone or whatever you're using. Okay, when you view it, it's gonna look like this. Let's assume, for example, this is what we'll be using on the other website we're going to talk about shortly in the video. Okay, if today is your first time here, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Wilson. On my channel, I teach people how to stay at home and make money online. And I don't just teach how to make money online, I actually put them into practice. I do a lot of research on my own, and whenever I find something that has worked for me, something that I've proved to work, something that sounds genuine, I will actually come to my channel right here and make a video about it for you, so that you too can also go out there and try the website. So if you want to make money online, you stay at home and make money online, be your boss, you can subscribe to this channel, so that whenever I upload a new video like this, you will definitely be the first person to be notified by YouTube. And you know what that means? If you are the first person to be notified by YouTube, it means that you are going to be the first person to watch the video and be the first person to actually make money with the video. So subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Now, if you come to this website that we're going to be using, you'll see that from this design, they were able to get a lady leggings. All right, you can typically make this type of design on this website that we talk about. All right, I created this on this is not the machine one. The more creative you are, the more chance you're going to get to be successful on this website right here. Okay, so this is the website that we're going to be using to be generated this morning, and it's called 99 Design. So it's the website we're going to be posting something. Okay, a lot of people that are coming to this website to be paying you those huge amount of money like $500. They believe what they are paying for are from this company, because this platform has a big reputation, just like Amazon. If you're selling something from Amazon or you're selling something for Shopify, the reputation that you're going to get from Amazon is not going to be the same as the one you're going to get from Shopify. Alright, because Amazon is already established. Spotify, just like you being on your own, nobody knows who you are. Okay, you being on Amazon is different thing. When you buy something from Amazon, you believe you are buying from Amazon. Okay, but inside the Amazon, there are people that are selling it. So the same thing applies to this platform right here. People that are coming to this website believe it has a reputation. They are buying from this website, whereas you are the people who will be creating all this design with the help of this 99 Design. So all you have to do on this 99 Design is to create your account. I'm not going to walk you through how to create your account again. Like I said earlier in the video, I just want the video to be short, okay? But if I see the way this video will perform, maybe I'm going to make a second part of the video, the part 2 of it, that will specifically be made for this 99 Design, and I will walk you through how you can get it started from the beginning to the end. Alright, if you click on this get started here, this is for the people that are coming. This is not for you as a freelancer. This is for the people that are coming. And if you scroll down to like graphic, because that is the category that we fall in, if you click on that, you see that this is not like you, this person that is coming from our side who is willing to hire a graphic designer. You can see most of the price range are starting from $200 to $1,000. Before companies are coming to this website, they know what to expect. They're not going to hesitate to spend this type of money. If you put the time to go through to this website, you're going to create your account, settle down and create your account, because they're going to be asking you so many questions about yourself. But don't worry, they're going to accept you, but just make sure you put in the correct credentials. If you want me to walk you through on how you can create your account on this website that you'll be making up to $1,000, comment down in this video so I will know that there are people who are willing to watch the second part. Then I will create that video for you guys. Alright? And if you watch this video to this point, it actually means that you're so curious to making money online. So if you click on this video here, it's going to show you another different ways and strategies that you can use to stay at home and generate money from online, guys. Alright, so see you next time when we post another video again on how to stay at home and make money online. Cheers. Peace out.